Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this messy updo in less than 3 minutes. Apply some dry texture spray all over the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. And then I'm just going to take some volume powder and apply it directly to the roots at the crown. Then we're going to take a large crown section, bring this together at the back of the head and secure it into a low ponytail near the nape of the neck. Now taking hold of that ponytail, we're just going to split the hair underneath in half, and then we're going to lightly twist the ponytail in one direction and then use your fingers to pinch and pull that twist for some more messy volume. Next we're going to wrap that ponytail around the elastic band, forming a circle. Pop your fingers through the middle and grab the ends and pull them all the way through to create a knot. Then secure to the head all round the outside of that bun with as many bobby pins as needed. I've left the ends of it loose, but you can tuck these underneath. Now moving over to the hair on the right hand side, I've left some hair out to frame the face, and with the rest I'm just going to twist it all towards the head and bring it over to the left hand side of the bun. Then just secure it at the end with a bobby pin and also on the opposite side. And we're just going to repeat the same steps on the left hand side. So leave some hair out to frame the face, twist the rest towards the head and bring it over to the right hand side and secure with a few bobby pins. I'm going to take the tail ends on the left hand side and again twist these towards the head, bringing them over to the right hand side of the bun and securing them with another pin. Then I'm going to take the ones on the right hand side, and because these are a little bit smaller, I'm just going to anchor them to the right hand side of the bun and then just pull the ends up and through one of the twists and secure it with another pin. If your hair's long enough, you can bring this to the opposite side. Then just spend a couple of minutes pinching and pulling and securing with hairspray. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.